Everybody knows very well the one and only.
Yeah, well, and thank you guys for supporting me and helping me grow my presence in social media. I think I was joking. I had two people when I started working with you guys, and he said you actually had 2,000.
I should have stayed quiet, right?
But it felt like two. It felt like two. But now to be at 175,000. My wife just crossed yesterday or day before over 100,000. And to know that you guys have brought 275,000 people into a relationship with my wife and I is phenomenal. And I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate it. What a lot of business owners don't understand is they either try to move to the market their product or service, and they struggle with trying to figure that out. The excellence that's happening here is when you have your own product or service that's separated from your agency, you have to figure it out for yourself, which gives you the blueprint of helping so many other people figure it out. So for anybody watching this that's wondering why I work with you, it's because I have the confidence that you're figuring it out for yourself and for your own business, which gives me confidence you're already going to know how to figure it out for me. And if somebody's watching this and they're like, oh, I'm looking for a new agency, I don't know who to find, I'll tell you the best people to work with are people who are doing it for themselves and have to figure it out on their own ambition and dime, and then they can prove what works and then do it for you. So if you're watching this reel and you're thinking, man, I need an agency that's going to care for me, take care of me, and that knows what they're doing, you should find an agency that's doing it for themselves, and on top of it, having a business that's growing at hundreds of % per year. That's not the actual agency, it's the business their agency supporting, so you can do the same thing. And for that, I want to commend you guys, because it's hard enough to make something grow, but to make multiple businesses grow is even harder. So congratulations on that.
Amazing.